I am Muhammad KHALED ZUBAIR. I made this video for all. A sweet, sparkly smile is everything. And therefore our society is increasingly getting fascinated with a wider set of teeth. Many people, in this beauty-driven world, desires white, spotless teeth for a more confident appearance. Other than peer pressure and gaining confidence, many people want whiter teeth because of some serious, genuine problems. Your teeth might be stained from drinking coffee, tea or cola regularly, or they might have yellowed over time, or they might lose shine because of smoking cigarettes, or in rare cases, due to medicinal side effects, your teeth might lose its sparkles. Whatever the reason is, it's normal to aspire for whiter and shinier teeth. Follow the below ways to get whiter set of teeth easily and at the convenience of your home. Brush daily. Poor and not proper oral hygiene is one of the vital factors that lead to yellow teeth. So it's important that you brush daily with best whitening toothpaste and floss after that without any mistake in order to get rid of plaque efficiently. Besides, it is advised by many reputed dentists to brush your teeth daily more than twice after meals with best whitening toothpaste in order to keep them white and sparkly. But you have to be extra careful about not brushing with whitening toothpaste too much and too hard, because these might scrub off the enamel of your teeth from the gum line, resulting in teeth falls early and quickly. Use baking soda and lemon juice paste. Aside from brushing your teeth daily with best whitening toothpaste, you can also use a more natural method to remove stain and yellowness from your teeth, that is baking soda and lemon juice paste. Both baking soda and lemon have bleaching agent and thus contains natural whitening properties that successfully remove stains and spots from the teeth. For its whitening ability, baking soda is also used in many of the whitening toothpaste available in the market. Moreover, the alkaline environment created by baking soda prevents bacteria growth inside the mouth for fresher breath. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is another popular method to remove yellowness from teeth besides best whitening toothpaste. This famous Indian home remedy involves in swishing your dental area with oil to remove any bacteria that can turn into plaque and can result in yellow teeth. This method is insanely popular because it whitens teeth naturally without the risk of damaging the enamel and gum. Try to eat more strawberries. Dentists advise us to brush after every meal with the best whitening toothpaste to keep our teeth sparkling. But often it's not possible to follow this rule. However, you can use strawberries as an alternative. Eat 3 to 4 strawberries after your meal in order to keep your mouth fresh. The high percentage of folate present in this delicious fruit naturally exfoliates and cleans your teeth for a brighter smile. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a bleaching effect on your teeth. The acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar effectively kills bacteria and cleanses your teeth as well as gum for a more hygienic oral routine. This acid can also remove stubborn stains caused by drinking coffee and smoking cigarettes.